Welcome to a typical school in rural Uganda. Uganda, located in East Africa just above Lake Victoria, is one of the poorest countries on earth, and more than half of its population is aged 15 or below. This explosion of young people is placing great pressures on Uganda, but this new generation also has the potential to transform their country for the better.
Africa is one of the more young continents in the sense that they have the largest population is really young people. The possibilities that we can have by training and educating this young population to really be in the driving seats for change, and by using science and technology and innovation to drive that change.
Unfortunately, current teaching methods in Uganda are not unlocking the scientific potential of its students.
The science subjects have the lowest pass rates out of all the subjects in Uganda at O-level, below 50% for chemistry, biology and physics, whereas in most of the arts and humanities the pass rate is well over 75%. Because the sciences have such low pass rates, most students have to choose arts subjects for A-levels, even if they would prefer to study sciences because they've scored so poorly in the science papers.
So which combination do you want to get? Yes, combinate. We can call it combinate. Physics and biology. Oh, great. How about you, sir? Great. So. I'm going to journalist. Great.
Unfortunately, many of these aspiring engineers and physicists won't even pass their science O-levels. We spoke to some teachers to try to find out what was going wrong.
Fiona, I teach chemistry and biology.
We asked Fiona if students got the chance to take part in experiments in their lessons.
Most of the village schools, students really see those things. Because they are in senior, for the first time I did a practical was last term. And I found them, they had never done any practical of biology. And here I come only once in a week. The reagents are not there, the apparatus are not there, but if they get a chance at least one time to do something, then I think they'll be helped.
There are many village schools scattered across Longo district. Supplying each with its own set of practical equipment would be very expensive. However, we believe we have a model that can transform education across the district in one fell swoop. A mobile teaching laboratory can travel to each school in turn, allowing students to experience science hands-on once every 3 weeks. The lab will carry a comprehensive set of equipment and several teaching assistants to help students through the sessions. This practical experience will show students that science is not just a body of knowledge, but a process which can be applied to find out more about the world. And in doing so, it will make abstract theories clearer and more tangible.
They help us to know in fact what we are studying is true. Yeah, to see the real thing we are talking about. So let us assume when we are separating mixtures, our teacher used to tell us such and that, but we didn't see as our side. But now we have really been about what we are taught about.
For Africa, science is probably even more important than in many other places in the world.